Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Nashville, Tennessee. We are driving along Korean Veterans Boulevard, a major artery that reflects the city's ongoing growth and modernization. This boulevard runs through the heart of downtown, linking office buildings, cultural landmarks, and commercial spaces, making it a key route for both residents and visitors. Originally constructed to improve access through downtown and connect key areas of the city, the boulevard was renamed to honor Korean War veterans, recognizing their service and dedication. Many of the buildings along the street are modern office towers, hotels, and mixed-use developments, but the area also sits near historic neighborhoods, showcasing a blend of old and new architecture. Over the years, Korean Veterans Boulevard has become an important connector for events, business, and tourism, with easy access to the Cumberland River, Nissan Stadium, and the Music City Center. Driving along the boulevard, viewers can see the contrast between contemporary development and historic surroundings, highlighting how Nashville balances modernization with its rich downtown heritage. The street serves as a testament to the city's growth in the late 20th and early 21st centuries, offering a window into urban planning, commercial expansion, and public dedication to honoring veterans. Nashville itself was founded in 1779 along the banks of the Cumberland River. Named after Revolutionary War General Francis Nash, the settlement quickly grew because of its strategic river location and fertile surrounding land. By the early 1800s, Nashville had become an important center for commerce, education, and government in the region. In the 20th century, Nashville gained worldwide recognition as the center of country music, especially after the launch of the Grand Ole Opry in 1925. Radio broadcasts carried Nashville's music across the nation, helping shape American popular culture. Over the decades, the city expanded beyond music into healthcare, education, technology, and tourism, becoming one of the fastest-growing metropolitan areas in the United States. Today, Nashville is known for its vibrant downtown, historic neighborhoods, and creative energy. Thanks for watching!